2004 Lexus SC430. Really nice. Only got 70,000 miles. Garage kept. Driven on the weekends. All that good stuff only. Not even in the rain. Look, car is mint. Anyways, as you guys can see, the new owner, he put lowering springs on it, put some nice wheels on it. Just a really nice stance all the way around. Then he brought it up to us to make it sound good. It looks good. Now it's got to sound good too. So that's what we did for him. Factory converters there and there. Then third converter there. Then he kept the resonators on it, which to me is a good choice. I wouldn't have took them off there and there. And then we did a rear muffler delete on it, on here and there, and went into our signature massive 5-inch tips to deepen the sound. There and there. Look at that. Much nicer, much cleaner. There's the stock muffler that was on it. It was gigantic. You can barely hear the car run. So we took that off and really cleaned it up for him. Gave it at least 50 pounds off weight-wise also. And it is a convertible, so we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, like, comment, subscribe. And like Jared always says, hit that notification bell. Show you how clean this car is. Look at that, guys. Car is mint for an 04. Looks like it's a 2020, not an 04. Look at that. Just clean, not even a scratch, not a dent, nothing. Really nice car. You only live once. Guys, tell him in the comments to put the supercharger on it. He's thinking about it, but he doesn't want to do it. He says it's too expensive. I said, who cares? You only live once. YOLO. Go ahead. Oh, yeah. That's really nice and deep. That's nice. Again? Right at 97. So it's not overbearing, just clean. That's perfect. Go ahead and back it out. You know, another thing you can do is change that third cap to a high flow one. It'll deepen it even more. Try that out for a couple of weeks, see how you like it. And if you want to do that, we can do that. Yeah. Louder and deeper, right? As you guys can see, the bigger the tip, the deeper the sound. Just a little bit of education for you guys. That's what we try to do. Wow, that's deep. Let you guys hear on the inside. It's not overbearing, just clean. And tips, man, they look so good on this car. I love them. That's perfect.